क्या आप कार चला सकते हैं? क्या आप इंग्लिश बोल सकते हैं? जी हाँ फ्रेंड्स, टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू कैन, हाउ टू यूज कैन, एंड yesterday I taught have. If you haven't watched that video, you should watch this video first. Then after that you should watch this video. And I have taught almost two rules. First one was that do, and second was one was that have. So this one is the third one, can. So today I will teach you can, and after this I will teach you other one, means will. So if you haven't watched all of them, means previous rule, you should watch them. Then after that you should learn this one. So if I start it, so if I talk about identity, what would be the identity? Uh, First of all, you should see if you are seeing somewhere like सकता है and सकती है और सकते हैं. This is the identity of can. And if I'll tell you about four situation where do we use can, then the first one is ability. First one is ability. First one is ability. 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 Ability means yogyata. If you are capable for something, like you are capable to bring something, like you are capable to speak English fluency, then you can use their can. Ability means yogyata. Yogyata. Like, can you speak English? If you can, if you are able to do this, you can say yes, I can speak English. Then the second one is permission. Second one is permission. Permission means इजाजत लेना, अनुमति लेना. Sorry. अनुमति लेना. बट अनुमति किससे लेना? जैसे कि अपने दोस्तों से, या फिर जो आपके मतलब इक्वल है, जैसे कि आपके छोटे भाई बहन, या फिर छोटे, या फिर आपके दोस्त जो आपके मतलब बराबर के है, या सम्मान जिनका आपस में दोनों का बराबर है, जिनकी पावर आपस में दोनों की क्या है, बराबर है, जो बराबरी वाले लोग हैं, उनसे परमिशन लेने के लिए हम प्रयोग करते हैं कैन का. और जो हमारे से बड़े हैं, जैसे हमारे फादर हुए, टीचर हुए, या फिर दादा हुए, दादी हुई, तो उनसे हम कुड का प्रयोग करते हैं, और मे का. ये हम आगे पढ़ेंगे. सो नाउ if I talk about third one, then the third rule is, means third identity, which you can understand easily. Then the third one is possibility, means संभावना. Possibility means संभावना. संभावना, like if you want to go somewhere, then you haven't decided yet, but you want to go somewhere, like someone is calling you that you should come here, and we have some work, we would finish it together. Then if you are unable to go there, you are thinking now that I can go there or not, then you can say आई कैन गो देयर. मीन्स संभावना है कि मैं वहां पर जा सकता हूं. देन यू कैन यूज कैन देयर. देन इफ आई टॉक अबाउट फोर्थ वन, द फोर्थ वन इज रिक्वेस्ट. REQUEST. रिक्वेस्ट. रिक्वेस्ट मीन्स क्या होता है? प्रार्थना. प्रार्थना. Suppose you are requesting to your father and to your parents, other parents, you can say that like you want to go somewhere, but you haven't took permission, you haven't taken permission from your father and your mother and your brother. Then you can request to them. Then can I go there? You can also use could, but somewhere you can also use can. Like if you are asking to your friend, may I, can I open this door, or can I take this pen, or can I write this rule? Then you can use there. So now I am going to write the structure of this, means can. So I am going to use green pen. So if I talk about structure, first of all, I'll write can, then subject, then action. Action. Which one action? Verb की first form. You should use verb की first form here. Then if I talk about positive, you can say yes, I can, or subject, I can, then action. If you are denying, you can say no, I cannot. I cannot, और cannot को क्या बोलते हैं? Can't. Then action. Then now I am going to give you some examples and we would finish it. So if I talk about first example, the first example is, can you go to Mumbai, or can you swim? Like someone is asking to you, there is a pool or a canal and your friend, and someone is saying to you, then can you swim? Can you swim? If you are capable, like you know how to swim, then you can say yes, I can swim. Yes, I can swim. If you are unable to swim, like you don't know how to swim, then you can say no, I cannot. I cannot or can't swim. Then if I talk about second example would be, uh, can you dance? Can you dance? If you know how to dance, you can say yes, I can dance. What you can say? Yes, I can dance. If you cannot perform dance, you cannot do it, you can say no, I cannot perform dance or dance, because this is also a verb you can use is it. So now I'm going to tell you the question word. If I talk about question word, so let's write question word. Question word means like what, which, why, whose, or whom, or which, or with whom. These are question word. I will tell you about all of them after finish this rule and this, you can say this series. I will teach you all of them. So now I'm going to write it. Question word, then can, then subject, then action. Can you go there? If you are able to go there, you are free and it's depend on you, you can say yes, I can go there. Then if you don't know where is he talking, then you can say where can I go? You can say where can I go? Then he has to tell about that. You has to go, or you can go at your home, you can go at your college, you can go in this village, you can go there. Like who is asking or who is saying you that, question. They have to tell you about that question word. So then you can reply, I can, I or subject, I or subject, then can, then action. Then if I talk about negative, then you can say subject, subject and I, because in this series we are talking only I and you, means me and you. So then I, then can or not. Either you can also use can't, then action. If I talk about example, so let's write some example. If you haven't written them, then you should written them. You should write them. Then you can see all of them properly. So now I'm going to turn the next page, means here. So here we will practice some questions. I will give you some examples. So before giving some examples, I want to tell you about to. We cannot use to with can, like uh, can or you can go to there. This is incorrect. This is wrong. And if you are using you can go there, this is correct. So you should pay attention on these example, because if you are preparing for a government exam and if you are a student, going to give some you are going to give some interview as well as some exams, you should pay attention all of them. These are correction. It would help you in exams as well. So now I give you some example. The first example is, can you pass? Can you pass the exam? Can you pass the exam? If you can pass, then you can say yes, I can pass the exam. If you cannot, you can say no, I cannot. Sorry, I have to use can here. Yes, I can pass the exam. If you cannot do this work, you can say no, I cannot pass the exam. Then the next example is, can you open the door? Can you open the door? Yes, I can open the door. If you are denying it, you can say no, I cannot open the door. Then the third one is, can you go there? Can you go there? Yes, I can go there. No, I cannot go there. So where can you go? Where can you go? I can go at your home. I can go at my home. I can go there. I cannot go there. Then uh, after that, can you rob a bank? Can you rob a bank? Yes, I can rob a bank. No, I cannot rob a bank. Can you beat him? Can you beat him? Yes, I can beat him. No, I cannot beat him. Why can you not beat him? Because he is my brother, or because he is elder to me, or because he is younger to me. So you can use there as well. Then the other one is, can you take it? Can you take it? Yes, I can take it. No, I cannot take it. Can you write this rule? Can you write this rule? No, I cannot write this rule. Yes, I can write this rule. Yes, I can write this rule. Can you switch off the mobile? Can you switch off the mobile? No, I cannot switch off the mobile. No, I cannot switch off the mobile. Can you subscribe this channel? Yes, I can subscribe this channel. No, I cannot subscribe this channel. Can you like this video? No, I cannot like this video. Yes, I can like this video. Why can you not like this video? Because I don't like this video. Because I don't have recharge. Because I haven't watched that video completely. So can you make this video? No, I cannot make this video. Why can you not make this video? Because I don't have a good smartphone. Because I don't know how to shoot videos. Can you open the can you open it? Can you open it? No, I cannot open it. Why can you not open it? Because I am very small compared to it. Can you can you go there? Can you go from here? Yes, I can go from here. No, I cannot go from here. Can you go from here? No, I cannot go from here. Yes, I can go from here. Can you uh, can you learn this rule? Yes, I can learn this rule. No, I cannot learn this rule. Can you uh, can you open the Instagram? Yes, I can open the Instagram. No, I cannot open the Instagram. Can you give me this mic? No, I cannot give you this mic. Why can you not give you this mic? Why can you not give me this mic? Sorry, because I am shooting my reel or because I'm creating a video and I am busy. Can you go with me? Can you go with me? No, I cannot go with you. Why can you not go with me? Because I'm busy. With whom can you go there? I can go with my parents. I can go with my friends. I can go with you. In which book can you read? In which book can you read? I can read this one. I can read that one. I can read all of them. Can you select? Can you select a pen? Yes, I can select a pen. Can you give me this pen? Yes, I can give you this pen. Can you beat him? Yes, I can beat him. No, I cannot beat him. Can you go there? Yes, I can go there. Do you know him? Yes, I know him. But we are not talking about do here, but we should practice. Like as we have learned, have and do. So we should practice. We should take. We should take also then. Do do you study? Yes, I study. What do you study? I study related to my subject. I study English. Do you practice English? Yes, I practice English. No, I do not practice English. Should you practice? No, we haven't learned this rule. So have you gone there? Yes, I have gone there. Have you seen the Taj Mahal? Yes, I have seen the Taj Mahal. No, I haven't seen the Taj Mahal. So friends, if you liked this video, if you have learned something from this video, you should watch you completely this video and to subscribe this channel. So thanks for watching this video. If you are here first time, you must subscribe this channel because I will teach you all rule. I will provide you all series means complete spoken English course, and it will take almost 4 to 5th month something. So bye.